Hello and welcome to Kentico. This first episode will show you how to edit text, copy-paste text from a Word file or other sort of file, and how to format the text. Here we go. You would have logged in to the CMS desk at www.wlac.edu/cmsdesk. You'd input your username and your password, and then you'll likely get a screen like this one here. You may only have access to one folder or multiple folders depending on who you are. You use this left navigation to get to your folder if you have multiple folders. For today, we're going to go play in the sandbox. You would see the folder sandbox, and then these little triangles allow you to expand the folder or collapse it. So we're going to expand the folder, and we're going to work on Training Page 2. Training Page 2 is live on this side of our screen, but here is what it looks like when we're going to work on it. This is the picture that appears here. Words can go next to the picture, or we might choose to have a larger picture. That's another lesson. There's our words that appear in the yellow bar. And now we're going to edit some text. Editing text is just like you would do in Word. Click your cursor onto the text that you want to edit. You can add in some text. I'm adding in text here. You can delete text. You can even copy-paste some text. So I will copy this, highlight that paragraph. I will copy, and then I should be able to paste it. Didn't work. Let's try it again. I'm going to highlight the text and Control C, which is copy. Then I'm going to paste, Control V. There we go. And always in Kentico, you want to save as you go. But do be warned, when you save things, it becomes live right away. So you saw me copy-paste. I'm going to hit Save. We'll go to our live screen and refresh it. And you'll see that we now have those two paragraphs. How about when you want to bring in text from a Word file? That's fine, but you will have to take out the formatting. If you're thinking to yourself, but I like the formatting, I have all the bullets in the right place, I have things bold where I want them to be, why can't I just bring it as is into Kentico? Well, the formatting that you do in a Word document has its own coding that you can't see. If you leave that coding in your Kentico page, it could cause your page not to function properly. So over in our Word document, I've highlighted a paragraph, and I'm going to Control C to copy, and I'm going to put it under these two paragraphs. So here we go, Control V. There's my paragraph. Okay, that's good. Now I need to strip out any coding that may be in there. I'm going to highlight, and I'm going to go to this eraser icon which says Remove Format. I'm going to click it. I like to click it twice to be sure. I've now removed the formatting, and I need to decide how do I want this text to be formatted. Do I want it bold, italic? Do I want it in our headline font? What do I want? Since it's my body copy, I'm going to select normal. It's there already, but I'm going to be sure and select normal. I'll save, because I always save as I go. And then if I look at my live screen, I refresh, and there it is. There's our paragraph. So now let's format a little of the text. This is a headline. This is a headline I would like to put in heading 2. That's what we've used for headlines through most of the website. And let's see now. I have a subhead here. This is a subhead. I'd like to use heading 4 for that, which is a little smaller. But now I have something very, very important. So I think that I'm going to highlight that, and in my drop down, pick heading 1. And I'm going to save. And I'll check it over here on my live screen. Success. There's our headline, our subhead, and something very important in heading number 1 format. So that's how you edit text, how you format text.